Hi. So, because I've been tuning some drums today for some videos, and some was tuned yesterday. Well, this is what I have. So I have a G here, a C, a G. But as you can feel, this drum is a bit unstable, but that's because of the extreme heavy batter head combination with the extremely light resonant head combination. And then a C again. It's a nice sounding drum, I find. So Tjas and Sam, this was made for you guys. Yeah, that's how the entire kit is based now. There are perfect fifth intervals in it, perfect fifth, and this is a smaller interval. Now, it's a very balanced combination. Bit unbalanced because it's also a different set of heads and that combination. But overall, you can feel there is that similar behavior in resonance duration and attack. This is high for that 10-inch, and it's actually, you can give those accents if you want that.